Proverbs chapter 2 and verse 23. Be glad then, ye children of Zion, and rejoice in your God, for the glory of this lighthouse is great.
Can you see your latter rain is falling now on you? Do you know your latter will be?
Listen closely. When the noise of life is high and the tones in your path inflict more cry, making you want to stage out of life with a head bent to chest, wait and listen closely. Perhaps your viewpoint says, your goals are nowhere close to the net of achievement, and now the whole atmosphere over you sing in harmony melodies of bereavement with careless clapping measurement. Take this break and listen closely. When the sound pounds harder and the destination seems more farther, listen closely. Even when the clouds cease to gather to break loose the change you envisage now or never, listen closely. There is a sound that awaits to embrace you, a well-styled sound designed, placed in wait for you. It's a sound of victory. Listen closely. Powered by Forward Cyril, Worship Aroma, always praying for you.
Just remember, His promises are ever sure and true. Where you were now is not a hindrance to where He's taking you. Just remember, His promises are